Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this Land Rover Discovery. It's on sat-nav at the moment, but if we just click the telephone button, it comes up no phone connected, connect to device now. Well, you don't want to connect to device, you want to delete it. So you think you'd put no, but you don't. You put yes. So you click on yes, you've got search for Bluetooth devices, Bluetooth at the top. You see there's a tick in the Bluetooth. If you're having problems connecting your mobile, make sure there's a tick there. Make system discoverable, list of paired devices. That's what we want, list of paired devices. And you'll see there, Barry's iPhone 12 Pro. Well, there's no phones connected at the moment, but click on that, delete pairing for Barry's iPhone, yes. And then we'll just do these while we're at it. Delete pairing, yes. Delete pairing, yes. That's it, all gone.